Hey, what's up guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adnan City, and today I'm going to provide you a new promo code for HelloFresh.com. So stay tuned and please like this video and please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. If you will subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon, then you will get notification when I upload any video, then you will get your codes on time. So I highly recommend you to please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. So before wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting this video, I want to tell you right in this YouTube channel Adnan City, and I brought promo codes for so many other companies. So please visit my YouTube channel and watch my other videos and get promo codes for so many other companies. So before wasting any time, let's get started. The code number one I'm going to provide you is, this code will give you 22 free meals, first box ship free, and 3 free gifts. So I have 2 new promo codes for you. The code number one is SU22. Yeah, this is the code number one. Simply rolling this code and get your rewards. Now I'm moving towards code number two. The code number two I'm going to provide you is free 16 meals plus free 3 surprise gifts and plus more. So the code number 2 is RMN16HF. This is the code number 2. Simply rolling this code and get your reward. So thanks for watching.